You gotta leave it on the ground. Leave it on the ground. Leave it on the ground. Put her down. Don't let her out if you're gonna play. Don't close it all the way. She's got to be able to breathe. She's hiding. Where's
I don't know, I was just saying, hey.
Hello, Josie.
And I was like,
she's gonna fall asleep in the box. You love your kitty?
I'm gonna fall asleep in the box.
Huh?
I'm gonna fall asleep in the box.
Gonna fall asleep in the box? Okay, say bye.
Bye.